Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do a genetics quiz to test your knowledge. The series contains 50 questions and each question will have 5-second time. So let's start and evaluate yourself. Question number 1. Unit of heredity is. The right answer is C. Gene. Question number 2. Father of genetics is. The right answer is B. Mendel. Question number 3. Law of segregation is also called. The right answer is B. Law of purity of gametes. Question number 4. Phenotype refers to. The right answer is B. Observable traits. Question number 5. Genotype means. The right answer is B. Genetic constitution. Question number 6. Homozygous condition has. The right answer is A. Identical alleles. Question number 7. Heterozygous condition has. The right answer is B. Different alleles. Question number 8. Dominant alleles expresses in. The right answer is D. Both A and B. Question number 9. Recessive allele expresses in. The right answer is B. Homozygous. Question number 10. Test cross is crossing with. The right answer is B. Homozygous recessive. Question number 11. Monohybrid ratio is. The right answer is B. 3:1. Question number 12. Dihybrid ratio is. The right answer is C. 9:3:3:1. Question number 13. Alleles are located on. The right answer is A. Same locus. Question number 14. Law of independent assortment applies to. The right answer is B. Unlinked genes. Question number 15. Incomplete dominance shows ratio. The right answer is B. 1:2:1. Question number 16. Codominance example is. The right answer is B. ABO blood group. Question number 17. ABO blood group is an example of. The right answer is A. Multiple alleles. Question number 18. Sex-linked genes are present on. The right answer is B. Sex chromosomes. Question number 19. Hemophilia is best described as. The right answer is B. X-linked recessive disorder. Question number 20. Color blindness in humans is inherited as a. The right answer is B. X-linked recessive trait. Question number 21. An individual who carries one copy of a recessive allele without expressing the trait is called. The right answer is B. Carrier. Question number 22. Pedigree analysis is primarily used to study. The right answer is B. Pattern of inheritance in families. Question number 23. Crossing over during meiosis occurs at which stage? The right answer is A. Prophase 1. Question number 24. Linkage refers to the tendency of genes to. The right answer is B. Be inherited together when located on same chromosome. Question number 25. A mutation can be defined as. The right answer is B. Sudden heritable change in genetic material. Question number 26. DNA stands for. The right answer is A. Deoxyribonucleic acid. Question number 27. The sugar present in RNA is. The right answer is B. Ribose. Question number 28. DNA replication is described as. The right answer is B. Semi-conservative. Question number 29. Complementary base pairing in DNA follows which rule? The right answer is B. A pairs with T. Question number 30. The number of hydrogen bonds between adenine and thymine is. The right answer is B. 2. Question number 31. The number of hydrogen bonds between guanine and cytosine is. The right answer is C. 3. Question number 32. DNA replication in eukaryotic cells occur during which phase of the cell cycle? The right answer is B. S phase. Question number 33. Which enzyme is primarily responsible for synthesizing new DNA strands during replication? The right answer is B. DNA polymerase. Question number 34. Transcription is the process of synthesis of. The right answer is B. RNA. Question number 35. Translation occurs in which cellular structure? The right answer is B. Ribosomes. Question number 36. A codon is a sequence of three nucleotides that codes for. The right answer is B. Amino acid. Question number 37. The start codon in messenger RNA is. The right answer is B. AUG. Question number 38. Which of the following is a stop codon? The right answer is B, UAA. Question number 39. Mutations caused by external factors such as radiation are called. The right answer is B, induced mutations. Question number 40. A frame shift mutation typically results from. The right answer is B, insertion or deletion of nucleotides altering reading frame. Question number 41. Down syndrome is caused by. The right answer is B, trisomy of chromosome 21. Question number 42. Turner syndrome is characterized by. The right answer is B, X0. Question number 43. Klinefelter syndrome is represented by which chromosomal composition? The right answer is B, XXY. Question number 44. Polygenic inheritance involves. The right answer is B, multiple genes controlling a single trait. Question number 45. Which of the following is an example of a polygenic trait? The right answer is B, human height. Question number 46. Epistasis refers to. The right answer is B, interaction between different genes affecting a trait. Question number 47. Pleiotropy is defined as. The right answer is A, one gene affecting multiple traits. Question number 48. Genetic drift is more significant in. The right answer is B, small populations. Question number 49. Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium applies to a population that is. The right answer is B, non-evolving. Question number 50. According to Hardy-Weinberg principle, allele frequencies remain constant in. The right answer is B, populations in equilibrium. Please mention your scores in comment section and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming quiz videos like this.